You're sawing my guitar. We haven't gotten very far. It's harder than you thought. Good thing that this is a new one I bought. You're sawing my guitar.
Don't. A T connector. This project sucks. We are legitimate tryhards.
Hey guys.
This looks like someone is trying to claw up the wall with bloody fingernails.
Welcome to a special musical edition of D.I.Wives. What kind of music? We don't really know yet.
This is a very special guitar in our house. It was very inexpensive, but we used this guitar for many years. The strings are broken, the neck is broken. So sad.
Oh.
I know. So my DI wife, Monica, has a plan.
Yeah, we're gonna turn it into a really cool shelf. What we're going to do is actually cut the whole face up.
Can you do
is this
that?
The face? Is this
I'm
called
already,
the
right
face?
now I don't like it.
You just. So we're gonna cut the whole face off.
Is it gonna come back? Are you gonna John Travolta it and put it on something else? Or like what's...
No, it's
Like face
gone.
off? I get it.
Oh.
I get it.
You didn't get that.
So we're gonna cut the whole face off and then put a shelf or two, depending. I've never really seen the inside of the guitar, so we're kind of winging this, going with it on the fly.
Okay.
We're gonna put a shelf in, and then you can put like cool stuff on it and put it on the wall.
I'm skeptical. So what do we need for this?
So here's what we have. We need a busted up guitar. We have our safety goggles, of course. I have a combination of adhesives, like a liquid nails, and then this is a rapid fuse that claims to bond virtually anything. These are little wire cutters. We have some.
You are listing all the materials, girl. Listing the materials, girl. Oh yeah, you are listing all the materials, girl. And I am the material world. Okay, bye.
Here are the materials,
You are
girls.
listing all the materials,
You
girl.
need wood for your shelves. We are gonna use the jigsaw, which you've used before.
Yeah.
All right.
Jigsaw the side. Should I stop this?
So while he plays music, Chris, let's start with the wires.
Okay.
We're gonna cut off the wires.
Okay. That
Come
goes
on,
right here.
baby, cut my wire.
I really
Come on, baby, cut my wire. Try to set the night on.
What do you think is gonna happen?
Why are you
Monica?
doing it that way?
He was hoping. Like that! Exactly!
That was violent.
Okay, when you're snipping this, put on the eyewear because Kim is going to violently shoot the string at me.
Yes.
Come on, baby, cut my
Oh God, that's
wire.
okay. I don't hold it. You're gonna get away.
Try to set the night.
Don't do it again yet. Give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1. Oh, for the
You
love.
want me to do it?
Okay.
All right.
This is a dangerous craft. Okay.
So many ways you could have made that safer. Should I tell you or should
Yes.
I just... Alright, you could have loosened the strings a ton over there. Or you could have taken needle nose pliers and just pulled those pegs out. Not interested in either of those.
No.
Sorry.
I feel like
Very
this
good.
had a little element of excitement.
That's
Okey-dokey.
super how musicians carry guitars.
Like this.
Yeah. Going to the gigs.
Going to my gig.
Okay. So I have experience with the jigsaw. It is not good.
With this one, we do want to try and get it as close to the edge as possible.
Try to saw the line. Just open up your eyes and saw the line. I know it's demanding, but don't screw it up, Monica. Just try to saw the line. Just open up your eyes and saw the line. No one's gonna mess it up. Get it out where you belong.
Okay, I am going to use the jigsaw and cut kind of along the edges, being careful not to cut off the neck. We've destroyed
Like a
Sawing my guitar. We haven't gotten very far. It's harder than you thought. Good thing that this is a new one I bought. You're sawing my guitar.
What we have is like super thin boards, which I think will be the shelves. And then Kim, you grab these square dowels. The tricky part here is that my wood is straight and the guitar is curved. We are doing some precision work in a very non-precise way. We are holding the board here and Kim is going to mark it. So blade on the line. That was so freaking perfect.
I know.
Really good.
I am just drunk with power. So how exactly are we gonna get the shelves to stay in the guitar?
So I don't know, to be honest with you, but before we even get to that, we need to sand the edges of this. So
Why do I always wear nice clothes to these things?
I don't. I just wear splash shirts. You always look cute.
Why do I do that?
Oh gosh, she's gonna start cleaning in the middle of this. It is pretty cool.
I'm a little crazy. Sorry.
Because of the shape of the guitar, this isn't going anywhere. It's bracketed on the back and then the sides are holding it. What we want is to run the glue along there. This bonds virtually anything. Okay, hold it there. We need to press for 30 seconds.
30-second. We have a 30-second hold break. Penn.
Cue the graphic. Cue the background sound.
You trashed my old guitar, but you're making something new. The hope is that eventually you'll impress me. Sad woman, take it slow, don't take your fingers out. DIY just need a little patience. Sad woman, hold it down, don't let it go too quick. I'll be gluing the things at night, just trying to get it. Sorry, okay, I'll stop.
I legitimately because I have an issue with getting scared easily.
It is a little like a little,
We'll put the things on the back. Okay, this bottom shelf fit in perfectly and the shape of the guitar actually holds it like really, really stable. This upper one, the bracket helps, but it's just a little bit unstable. So we're just gonna cut little mini dowels and maybe like 2 inches and put them underneath and that will support it. This wood is very soft, so I'm just gonna score it with the X-Acto knife. So I think we just need a little bit of glue here. Build-wise, we're done. Everything's in and sturdy enough to hold the small little decorative items that we need. Now we need to shop the house and find some cute little items to style it up. Okay, super pumped for you to see this. Oh gosh, so is Sunny.
What was that?
That was
Oh,
me.
it's
That's
so
my
high
stomach.
tech. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I love it! Oh, you guys!
Do you love it?
Yes, that's
Yeah.
really cool.
Yes.
It's like my own little memories spot. It's got our wedding, and it's got my granddad's basketball picture, and it's got a little cup for me to put soy sauce in, which is great.
Pretty good, right?
This is very creative and very cool, and I love it. And it, like, honestly, like, this room needs things.
I mean, still needs
So,
a little more up here,
yeah.
but this is a great start.
Yeah.
So time for the 3 T's, which is our time, the tab, and the tips. So the time it took a minute.
It took a minute. It took about an hour and 10 minutes total.
The tab, really, we already had the guitar, so that's assuming that you already have the guitar.
Yeah.
It's the wood and the wood glue.
Yes, and this wood is like little project panels, so they were $4 each, so $8 in wood, and then the glue, that was $5.99. So the whole thing, I would say like under $15.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I mean, with the caveat that you will need to destroy a guitar.
Or no, I wouldn't destroy a guitar to do this. We love our instruments.
Yeah.
I would say if you have a very destroyed guitar that has sentimental value.
Yeah, so this wasn't a donatable guitar. Okay, tips. I think it helped to have 2 sets of hands to be able to
Definitely.
do the jigsaw.
Yep. You want to keep the neck portion of the guitar all the way. Another tip is that every guitar,
Excuse you.
Another tip is that every guitar, you kind of don't know what you're gonna get until you open it up. So this happened to have like shelf brackets inside, but every guitar is different, right?
Yeah,
And-
for sure. And I don't know if all of them are built like that. Definitely you want an acoustic guitar. Don't do this with an electric guitar. They're not deep enough and they have wires and things in them.
So, ready for this? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Would you recommend this project?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
1, 2,
3.
3. Absolutely. So let us know what you think of this project.
If you've ever done this before, we'd love to see your pictures. If you end up doing this craft, please post the pictures. We love to see them. Make sure to like, subscribe, share it, follow all the things. Okay, bye.
Now I'm alone with my shelf, which we made at a pretty reasonable cost. There's a photo of my granddad I thought I'd lost, and a bowl that could probably hold soy sauce. Yeah, I'm all by myself. I'm sitting here all by myself anymore. Thanks for watching. Subscribe or do whatever we're supposed to do on this social media page. Like, follow.
Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY-wives and let us know what other types of projects, crafts, and DIYs you want us to try out. Last thing, we just started a brand new Insta for the DIY-wives, so give it a follow and come say hi. Thanks.